Welcome to ScholarshipDB.net channel. Today I'm going to talk about the UTS Vice-Chancellor's International Undergraduate and Postgraduate Coursework Scholarships. This scholarship program is for international students who wish to study at the University of Technology, Sydney, Australia. I will also go through a step-by-step guide of how to submit the scholarship application, so please watch all the way to the end of this video. We upload scholarship videos regularly. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe now and turn on the bell to not miss out on any new scholarships. UTS Vice-Chancellor's International Undergraduate and Postgraduate Coursework Scholarships support high-achieving commencing international students enrolling in an undergraduate program or postgraduate coursework program at UTS in Sydney. The scholarship is to be offered to international students who exhibit the university's core values and can demonstrate commitment to excellence, innovation, entrepreneurship, and social justice. The postgraduate coursework includes the Masters by Coursework. The scholarship covers full tuition scholarship for the standard course duration. The fees are different depending on subjects that you plan to study. You can search for the fees using the tool on UTS website. In here, click the button Search Fees by Course. Choose the fee type, for example International Undergraduate or International Postgraduate Coursework. Choose this year for the fee year and the cohort year. Then select the area of study. You can click All to see all courses. Then click Search. You can see tuition fees for all courses now. Using these data, I created a file to calculate full tuition fees. Tuition fees are more expensive for combined bachelor degrees because you are doing more credits. Bachelor of Engineering is about $200,000 and Bachelor of Business is about $120,000. You can also search for postgraduate coursework fees. Master of IT course is about $94,000 and MBA is about $89,000. All are in Australian dollars. To be eligible for the scholarship for both undergraduate and postgraduate program, an applicant must be an international student, not an Australian citizen, New Zealand citizen or permanent resident of Australia. Meet all admission requirements for the selected course by the closing date of the scholarship application. Commence full-time studies on campus, Sydney. On-campus studies include face-to-face and/or online, remote, learning applicable. All applicants must apply using the UTS Online Scholarships application form to be eligible. Not be studying a UTS online degree or distance mode degree. Not be a government-sponsored student. Or not be a recipient of another UTS scholarship for the duration of this scholarship. For undergraduate scholarship, an applicant must have completed an Australian Year 12 or high school studies comparable to an Australian Year 12 outside of Australia no longer than 3 years prior to commencing at UTS, and be admitted based on this qualification to UTS, and have an overall average of 85% where the pass mark is 50%, or equivalent in a UTS recognized high school qualification. For postgraduate coursework scholarship, an applicant must have completed a bachelor degree, comparable to an Australian bachelor degree, no longer than 3 years prior to commencing at UTS, and be admitted based on this qualification to UTS, and have an overall average of 90% where the pass mark is 50%, or equivalent in a UTS recognized bachelor qualification. The scholarship will be awarded to the highest-ranked applicant on the basis of academic merit in the academic qualification used as a basis for admission into the selected UTS bachelor degree or postgraduate coursework program coupled with the applicant's response to the questions asked in the UTS online scholarship application. First, you must submit an application for course admission to UTS as an international student before you apply for this scholarship. This is the link to register and apply for admission. Once you finish registering for your admission there, you will get an admission student number of 6 digits. Then you apply for this scholarship online using this website. You will need to write a maximum 500-word essay. Demonstrate examples of your leadership skills in school, workplace or community. Examples of your personal experience and achievement to date, including but not limited to examples of community service, innovation, or entrepreneurship. This essay is very important because it will be used to evaluate your scholarship application. Let's apply an admission to UTS. Click on the admission link takes you to the UTS Apply online page. Click on Register. Fill in your first name, last name, email address, password for your account, your citizenship. All of my details here are just sample information for demonstration purpose only. Then click on Register. Now you find your course of study. I select Bachelor's Full-Time. Click Search, then you see the list of all course with code. Choose your course and click button Apply Now. It takes you to the next page. Read all information carefully. It explains eligibility criteria. Tick Yes if you meet all criteria. You need to submit supporting documents including academic transcripts, English test results, details of relevant work experience, reference letters, supporting statement or portfolio, and disabilities or medical conditions if any. Documents that are not in English need to be translated and certified. Scan your documents and upload here. Next page you fill in your personal details, name, address, gender, contact details, email address, marital status, citizenship, your Australian visa status, if you're currently in UTS or not. I choose No for those questions. Then comes the English language proficiency. If you already have an English test, you can upload your results here. Then the next screen is very important if you want to apply for any UTS scholarships. You indicate in your application that you want to apply for the scholarship. Tick No in the first questions if you don't have any sponsor or scholarship yet. Remember to tick Yes to the question, do you intend to apply for a scholarship? You will then be able to see the list of available scholarships to apply for. For example, I scroll down to select the UTS Vice-Chancellor's International Undergraduate or Postgraduate Coursework scholarships. Then you fill in sponsor details here. There are few more questions about pathway preference, accommodation, read them carefully and tick Yes or No. Finding about us, you can choose Other and type ScholarshipDB YouTube in the box here. Tick No if you never have any visa refusal. Select your current location. Then click Save and Continue. You attach all your supporting documents in this application portal. This is the declaration and signature. Read all of them and tick if you agree, and write your name in the box. Tick Completed all sections. An application fee of $100 is required via payment online, or you can send a bank draft or bank check. Click Continue and then your application is submitted. It's important to record the UTS application number of 6 numbers here because you will need it for your scholarship application. An email confirmation will be sent to your email address. Print out this page for your records. And now you're ready to apply the scholarship online. Click on the registration link provided at the description below. I'm applying for the undergraduate scholarship. Read all information and instruction carefully before you start. Here is the eligibility criteria that I already explained in previous slides. Click Next. Fill in here your details including name, date of birth, contact details, email address, and citizenship. Click Next. You need to enter the 6-digit number that you received in email after you submitted your admission application to UTS. Fill in the name and address of your high school. Tick Yes to I have completed high school. Select I want to start uni next session. Click Next, then you need to write your supporting statement. Do take time to prepare this very important essay. They are looking for students who not only have exceptional academic results, but also possess great leadership skills. Try to include your own personal experience skills related to it. Click Next. Tick Yes if you agree with all the declaration. Then click Finish. Your scholarship application is now submitted. An email confirmation has been sent to you. It's the same procedure to apply for the postgraduate scholarship. If you find this video useful, please click the like button. Remember to check our website scholarshipdb.net for more scholarships. We post regularly, so please subscribe and turn on the bell to never miss out any scholarship opportunities. We are also on other social platforms. Follow us if you want to get scholarship news early. Good luck with your scholarship hunting.